What does it actually cost to run a $100 million home? We're talking the full operating budget, staff, utilities, the works. If you bought the house, you probably did the math on the mortgage. But here's what most people miss. The mortgage is usually the smallest number on the balance sheet. The real expense is keeping a property that size running like a five-star hotel. Because that's exactly what it takes. A full hotel operation, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when nobody's home. Let's start with payroll. A 40,000 square foot mansion needs somewhere between 25 and 35 full-time staff. Push past 60,000 square feet and you are looking at 40 to 50 people. These are not minimum wage jobs. A house manager or chief of staff earns anywhere from $120,000 to $250,000 a year. Think of this person as the CEO of the house. They run everything. Then you need chefs, not 1 but 2 to 4, rotating to cover daily service and events. Each one costs about $125,000 a year. Add butlers and valets at $75,000 to $100,000 each. Nannies fall in the same range. Housekeepers, you will need 5 to 10 of them, each earning around $60,000. Security is where the numbers really add up. True 24/7 coverage means 10 or more guards, each earning $100,000 a year. That is over $1 million just for security. Grounds crews, pool technicians, and gardeners add another $60,000 to $70,000 per person. And do not forget the IT engineer. These homes have server racks, camera walls, hundreds of smart devices. That role brings another $95,000 to $120,000. Add it all up and you are at $1.8 to $2.4 million per year in payroll alone. But staff is just one line item. Utilities can rival the payroll. Take the 105,000 square foot Bel Air mega mansion. Air conditioning in the summer costs around $50,000 per month. That is for keeping it cool across all levels. When only one floor was climate controlled, the bill was $27,000. Scale that across an entire year, add heating in winter, and you are easily spending $300,000 to $800,000 annually on electricity, gas, and water. Experts estimate homes this size consume as much power as 40 average houses combined. You have 5 pools, multiple spas, elevators running constantly, industrial kitchens, and enough lighting to illuminate a small neighborhood. Monthly electric bills of $10,000 to $50,000 are standard, depending on climate and season. Then there is housekeeping and grounds maintenance. Large estates can spend $40,000 a month just on cleaning services. Specialty window washes, those triple-height walls of glass, can cost $2,500 per service. Multiple pools need constant chemical balancing. Landscaping on several acres means seasonal crews, irrigation systems, and ongoing plant care. Over the course of a year, this easily adds up to $300,000 to $600,000 in contracted services and supplies. Property taxes and insurance are the next blow. Depending on the state, taxes on a $100 million property can run anywhere from $600,000 to over $1.8 million per year. Homeowners insurance on high-value properties typically starts at $60,000 annually and climbs from there if you need flood coverage, earthquake coverage, or protection for art and collectibles. Then there is the maintenance reserve. The rule for ultra-luxury homes is to budget at least 1% of the property's value each year for capital expenditures. On a $100 million house, that is $1 million set aside annually for roof replacements, HVAC overhauls, resurfacing the driveway, repainting exteriors, and anything that wears out or breaks. Put it all together, and you are looking at an annual operating budget somewhere between $4 and $6 million. That is before you host a single event or take a single trip. The house runs whether you are there or not. So how do owners keep costs from spiraling completely out of control? Energy is the biggest target. Solar panels, battery storage, aggressive HVAC zoning, and building management systems that learn usage patterns can trim hundreds of thousands off the annual utility bill. On the labor side, cross-training staff helps. If the head of security can also manage IT systems, or if the house manager can coordinate events, you avoid hiring redundant roles. Many owners run skeleton crews when they are traveling, and they bring in temporary staff only for events or peak seasons. Predictive maintenance is another saver. Replacing an HVAC filter on schedule costs $200. Replacing the entire unit because it failed costs $60,000. Vendor contracts with clear service level agreements keep costs predictable and prevent surprise invoices. The One Bel Air is the extreme case study. With 50 HVAC units and energy use that rivals dozens of homes, it highlights why some historic chateaux in Europe just close their doors and become museums. The fixed overhead becomes too much for private individuals to support without institutional funding. If you can afford a $100 million house, you can probably afford to run it. But the smart play is to budget like a hotel general manager, not a homeowner. The mortgage might be fixed. The operations never are.